Duck in the Truck by Jez Alborough. What color is this truck?
Red.
Red. And he's waving with, looks like he has a hand. He doesn't have hands, does he?
No.
Ducks don't have hands. That's silly. What do they have?
Wings.
Yeah. And look, someone's hiding in the bush. Who's that hiding in the bush?
The frog.
Yep. This is the duck driving home in a truck. This is the track which is taking him back. This is the rock struck by the truck. And this is the muck where the truck becomes stuck. These are the feet which jump the duck down into the muck, all yucky and brown. This is the frog who spied from the bush and croaks, "Gribbit, I'll help you give it a push." This is the push of a frog and a duck. And this is the truck. Still
stuck.
Yeah. This is a sheep driving home in a Jeep. "Get out of the way," he yells with a beep beep. This is the quack of an angry duck. "I can't," he snaps. "My truck is stuck." This is the quiet as they think what to do. "Got it," croaks Frog. "Shake and push too." This is the slurp and squelch and suck as the sheep steps slowly through the muck. And what are these two doing?
Laughing.
What are they laughing for, do you think?
Stepping in the mud.
They're laughing at the sheep stepping in the mud.
Yeah.
The sheep's worried about getting all mucky, and they're laughing at the sheep trying to stop getting itself dirty. This is the push of a sheep, frog, and duck. And this is the truck. Still
stuck.
This is a happy, sleepy goat, relaxing in his motorboat. This is the ear that hears the shout, "My truck's in the muck and it won't come out." This is the rope, and here's the goat's plan to tie a knot as tight as they can. They're pulling really hard on the rope, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're tying it tight. This is the push at the rear once again. This is the pull as the boat takes the strain. These are the wheels finally gripping. This is the knot suddenly slipping. Twang. They didn't do a good job of tying that knot if it slipped.
Yeah.
This is the truck with the engine on fast. Back on the track. Unstuck at last. But what happened to this lot?
They fell down into the mud.
They did.
What's the frog's face?
The frog's face covered in mud. Into the mud, face first. Covered in mud. This is the duck driving home in the truck, leaving the frog, the sheep, and the goat stuck in the muck.
In the mud.
Well, it is mud, but in the book they call it muck as well. Because muck rhymes with truck. So that's why they said muck. And look, he's gone. He's just, see ya, bye-bye. He's not a very good friend, is he?
Yeah, he's not a very good friend.
He's a cheeky duck.
Yeah, cheeky.
says, the duck is driving in his truck. It hits a rock and lands in muck. The truck gets stuck. What a mess. Who will help Duck? Can you guess? Who helped the duck? Did the sheep help?
Yeah.
Did the goat help?
No.
The goat tied his boat to the truck, didn't he? And did the frog help? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. The end.
The end.